Okay, let's see. Please help me pick out a Mother's Day gift. Okay, I can help with that. Oh, does that? Okay, perfect. Are you thinking a necklace? Earrings? Necklace or earrings? Okay, perfect. Okay, I have some options for you. Let's see. Do you like hearts? No. Let's see. Do you like gold? No. Okay, we're doing silver. This is so fun. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab. Do we like these? Yes. Okay, and then we have a matching necklace. Do you like this? Okay, perfect. Is there anything else I can get for you? No, okay, perfect. I can get you checked out then. I'll just grab a register. Yes. All right. Would you like it in a box? No. Okay, perfect. Okay, the earrings you picked just come out to $76.21. Does that sound good? Yes? I suppose so. What's that? Okay. Okay, perfect. Let's see. And did you want to round up to the nearest dollar for the Kendra Scott Foundation? Yes? Okay, perfect. So then your total would be $77 even. Perfect. Okay, I'll grab your change. I see the change. Oh, yeah. Without moving the actual camera. I don't know if people get it. The camera on the end. No, I was going to tell you what the other sister. All right, then I have $23 for your change here. And then here it is in a cute box for Mom. I think she'll love it. Oh, it's perfect. Thank you so much. Oh, it's got a little hat on it? Yeah. Okay.
Bye, buddy. Hi.